Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well, guys. Now today we're at Auto Tires, and I want to say a big thank you to the owner P and also Lewis, who have opened up for me on a Sunday. Like I said, a big thank you to these guys. Go check them out. If you are in Bolton, come and check them out. Brand new tires, part 1 tires, they've got it all. Yes, we're back with the EP3, and I've got something special for you guys today.
Came back with a click clack, and a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Yeah. They was sleeping, they was snoozing on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I've been puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Right, so the mod I'm doing today on my EP3 Type R is this. Let me show you. 20mm MJC wheel spacers. So that's 20mm all around the car. I think right now the wheels sit in a lot, and it just makes the car look a bit crap, to be honest. But I think with the 20mm spacers it'll make a huge difference, especially at the front, because I think these wheels just sit too in. So it'll bring them out a bit, and it'll make the car look a lot better as well. So let's go, guys. So what we're going to do, obviously, jack the car up. We're going to start from the front, and then we're going to do the rear as well. So I'll show you this side of the car, because it's the same procedure on the other side as well. So I've got myself a gun just to make life easier. And just don't forget to take obviously your nuts off for it to go onto the hub centric. Right, so it's simple, straightforward and easy. Obviously once you've took the nuts off, the wheel spacer goes back onto the hub. The nuts go on, and it's as simple as that. Once obviously all 5 of the nuts are on, put the wheel back on, tighten everything up, and that's your spacer on. It is what it is, eh? It is what it is. So the wheel spacers are now on, and they look 10 times much better. I think it sits out, it just sits a lot better now. The front, obviously I've turned it so you can't tell, but it's made a huge difference to the vehicle. And like I said, thank you very much to Auto Tires for actually opening up for me and letting me do it. But now, like I said, straighten them up, and it just makes a big difference, even to the front. How there's actually not much cap now, and the car just sits a lot better with these 20mm spacers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it's useful to anybody who's going to put wheel spacers on their vehicle.
Don't know what to
and end the video there. Now before I do, I just want to say a big thank you to Auto Tires. I want to say a big thank you to the owner, P and Lewis, for actually coming out on a Sunday and opening up and letting me use their tools and put my wheel spacers on my Type R. Now don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.